Good morning, students. We will continue with the tuple. Yesterday we discussed tuple is a collection of elements and it is a sequential. Why it is a sequential? Because it has indexing, positive indexing and negative indexing from like 0, 1, 2, 3 or -1, -2 like this. So tuple is a very similar to list, but there is only one difference. List is a mutable and tuple is immutable. And yesterday we discussed there are different methods and functions. Functions are first we discussed length function, sum function, min function, max function, sorted function. Okay, then we discuss some methods like count, index. There is another function that is called tuple. So why we use tuple? Tuple function is convert any string or list into tuple. Okay, for example, I have one list L having some elements. And I'm using A is equal to tuple L. So L is a list. With the help of tuple function, L will be converted into list and will be saved in A. So now A will be a tuple. So this is tuple method. You can also convert any string into tuple, like B is equal to tuple. You can take any variable or constant value. So here B is a tuple. So this is tuple method. Any doubt in this? Himanshu, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, beta. Next is in the case of your tuple, we discussed there are two arithmetical operators, plus and into. But we can also use relational operators. Yes, beta.
सर बी नहीं तब गुड स्ट्रिंग को स्प्लिट अप क्यों किया स्प्लिट अप
बेटा टपल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया ना, तो ये टपल में फर्स्ट एलिमेंट बन गया, ये सेकंड एलिमेंट, ये थर्ड, फोर्थ. स्ट्रिंग में भी तो वैसे ही था ना, ये 0 एलिमेंट 1 एलिमेंट. ठीक है, वैसे था, पर अब ये टपल में कन्वर्ट हो गया.
थैंक यू.
वेलकम बेटा. Now we use arithmetical operator plus and into. There are some relational operator we can use in the case of list as well as tuple. Okay, relational operator, we know that there are equal to, double equal to for comparison, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. Okay, not equal to. These are relational operators. We can use it with the help of in a tuple. We can use it. Now here, suppose I have one list L. I'm using same thing can be used in the case of your tuple or list. So you can use your list or tuple. It's your wish, beta. I use one tuple. I take 10, 20, 30. I am taking another tuple T1. Here I am taking 10, 20, 30, 40. And another will tuple. Okay, students, if I am using here T double equal to T1, answer is false, because here we have 3 elements and here we have 4 elements. So how it can be equal? if I compare T double equal to T2, yes, true, because tuple, this tuple and this tuple exactly same. Now, if I'm saying take another tuple T3 and having the value 11, 21, 31. So if I'm saying T3 greater than T, answer it true. Why true, beta? Yes, any student, beta? Because in zero place, here is 11, here is 10. Okay, so 11 is greater than 10. That's why answer is true. If these are two same, then it will compare second one. If second one is same, it go to the third one. So if I'm saying here D3 less than T, it will give us false answer. So it will compare element wise, element by element. Okay, if the elements are same, then it go to the next element. So these are the relation operator. Students, is it clear? Show the thumb impression if it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, good. Now next is there is a one same thing we can use in the list in case of list beta. There is a one term that is called traversing. Traversing means assessing the element of a list or tuple. Okay, traversing means assessing the element of a list or a tuple. So how we can assess the element? Simply ये देखिए बेटा, by using loop. तो loop से आप क्या कर सकते हो, किसी भी एलिमेंट को किसी भी लिस्ट और टपल के एलिमेंट को असेस कर सकते हो. So I have a one tuple T having value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. ठीक है, these are the elements value. Now if I use 4 I in T, I am not using range, so I am not concerned with the index. ठीक है, तो I में क्या होगा, सबसे पहले 10 आएगा, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, then 60. And if I print I, first time it will display 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this term is called traversing, means assessing the element of a tuple or list. So note down this. But remember one thing, if I will use the range, then I will concern with the indexing. So suppose same thing I am doing here, but here I am using range length of T. So here I will have to define, if I am using a J, it will give us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. ये देखिए 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I am displaying here J, here T of J, T of J. So value of J will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be T0, T1, T2, T3 like this. So it will display values. So this is your range function. Now next is now Himanshu, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, is it possible to change the element of a tuple?
No, sir, because it is mutable,
Yes,
immutable.
yes, it is immutable in nature. Now there is
It
a
does not allow the value at a place.
yes, beta. Now there are you can say indirectly we can modify. Not directly modification is possible, but indirectly we can modify the content of any tuple. So I'm going to discuss that. So I have a list. We know that here one tuple 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is there. Now there are two methods, indirect method. Okay, two methods. One is called number one. It is called using tuple unpacking. What do we call it? Tuple unpacking. Okay, I'm going to discuss that. Using tuple unpacking. So I have one tuple T. So how many elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element. तो हमने क्या करना है 6 वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करने हैं A, B, C, D, E, F equal to T. Now Isha, tell me A में कौन सी वैल्यू आ जाएगी?
So 10.
Yes, A में 10, B में 20, in C 30, in D 40, E 50 and F 60. Because I am using A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to T. So if I display A 10, B 20 like this. After that, what you will do, change the value of A. A is 15. So value is changed. First, you unpack the tuple. Tuple में से value ले ली. Variable की value को change कर दिया. And after that, look at here. T is a tuple. Tuple is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F. Reinitialize the list. The tuple, sorry. ये देखो. Value change. Indirectly we are doing. First we unpack the tuple, change the value of element, and then recreate that tuple. Is it clear, students? Good. So this
Yes,
is
sir, clear.
yes, sir. Second method. Using constructor function. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, फंक्शन यूज करेंगे. अभी तक हमने एक फंक्शन यूज किया था टपल, तो वो किसी भी स्ट्रिंग को या टपल लिस्ट को टपल में कन्वर्ट करता है. देयर इज ए लिस्ट फंक्शन दैट कन्वर्ट एनी स्ट्रिंग और टपल इनटू लिस्ट. ठीक है, दिस टपल फंक्शन कन्वर्ट द डाटा इनटू टपल, द लिस्ट फंक्शन कन्वर्ट एनी डाटा इनटू लिस्ट. तो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट. ओके, चलो देखते हैं हम. तो हमारे पास टपल है T. इसको क्या करो, फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट इनटू लिस्ट, लिस्ट में कन्वर्ट कर लो। तो लिस्ट में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा, L इज इक्वल टू लिस्ट ब्रैकेट में T, तो ये क्या करेगा, T को, T इज अ टपल, ये कन्वर्ट करेगा इनटू लिस्ट, और L इज अ लिस्ट, तो लिस्ट हमारे पास आ गई। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज क्लियर। चलो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट।
सेकंड मेथड कौन सा है?
बेटा ये सेकंड मेथड करवा रहा हूँ ना, दैट मेथड इज यूजिंग द कंस्ट्रक्टर फंक्शन, मतलब टपल और लिस्ट मेथड यूज करके। आपने, हमारे पास एक लिस्ट थी, एक टपल था 10-15, ये वाला टपल, हमने उसमें से एक लिस्ट बनाई L, L इज इक्वल टू लिस्ट T, तो T से टपल, टपल किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, इन लिस्ट, और किस में कॉपी हो जाएगा, L में। हिमांशु क्लियर, हिमांशु क्लियर,
यस सर।
ओके बेटा। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, अब आपने क्या करना है, लिस्ट का एलिमेंट चेंज कर दिया, L0 पहले 15 था, नाउ आई एम यूजिंग L0 इज इक्वल टू 10, तो L0 डिस्प्ले किया, 10 20 30 40 50 हो गया, वैल्यू चेंज। नाउ लुक एट हियर, T इज अ टपल, टपल इज इक्वल टू टपल, इन ब्रैकेट आई टेक L, तो L इज अ लिस्ट, वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, टपल में। तो लुक एट हियर, टपल वैल्यू इज चेंज, clear? So we use list and tuple method. Students, is it clear? Himanshu clear?
सर आप टी को टप्पल एल क्यों ले रहे हो?
बेटा देखो, पहले हमने क्या किया था, टप्पल को कन्वर्ट किया था लिस्ट में, ठीक है, फिर हमारे पास लिस्ट बन गई, लिस्ट का एलिमेंट हमने चेंज कर दिया, करने के बाद जो लिस्ट आई थी हमारे पास, उसको हमने फिर से टप्पल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, टी की टी में रीइनिशियलाइज हो जाएगी वैल्यू सारी, तो चेंज वैल्यू।
ओके,
नोट डाउन बेटा। Now next is, please note down this. Now next is here one more thing. Wait. Now, okay, student, one important thing. If I want to declare empty list, look at here, empty list window. But suppose in my list, my tuple, ठीक है, so मैंने tuple T से declare किया, tuple empty tuple है. Now, if I want to declare another tuple T1, or I am going to take single value, I am taking single value, T1 is equal to 10 in brackets, because bracket is a for tuple. But unfortunately, when you display T1, it is a simple numeric value, integer value. So whenever you are going to create a tuple with one element, to use like this, in bracket 10, then comma, then bracket. Now it will be list. If in your if in your tuple there is only single value, don't use bracket 10 bracket close. Use bracket 10 same comma, then bracket close. Now it will be tuple. ये देखिए. Yes, Gaurav, it is clear? Okay. So now next is, Okay, now I am going to make all the different concept of tuples I have already discussed. Now we will make some simple programs of tuple. It is very much similar to the list, but remember one thing: we can't change the element value. हम element की value को change नहीं कर सकते. Rest of thing we can do. Now, yes, tell me which function will use to get the input of tuple from the keyboard. Yes, quickly give the answer. Raise your hands first.
Eval.
Yes, beta, eval. Very good, beta. Very good. I have one tuple t is equal to eval input enter tuple, then print you have entered t. Okay, so I am running this program. Now I am going to execute this. Enter the tuple. I will use bracket first, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60, and then 70, then bracket close. I press enter key. Okay, look at here. Look here. The element value is assigned to the tuple. You have entered bracket start 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So eval function is used for getting the input of any tuple or list. Okay. Himanshu, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is
Sir, script mode दिखा दो एक script mode.
yes, beta.
Sir, script mode दिखा दो coding part.
Coding part. Wait, beta, wait.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, tuple insertion के लिए eval method use होता है.
बेटा अगर हमने लिस्ट या टपल को कीबोर्ड में से इनपुट लेना है तो वी यूज eval मेथड. ये देखो बेटा, आई एम रनिंग इट अगेन. वी कैन आल्सो टेक द इनपुट ऑफ द लिस्ट स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. यूज स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. तो ये लिस्ट बन गई.
Okay.
Now here I use for loop I in t. ठीक है, तो in t there will be first element, then second element, and then third element, and I use here one variable sum is equal to 0, and here sum plus equal to I. तो I में क्या हो जाएगा? It means it will sum total of all the elements, and then we print. तो I में क्या होगा? sum में first I की value first element, then loop will be changed. तो I में second element, then I में third element. So all the element will be added, and in sum there will be sum total of all the element. So I am running this. So I take here 10, 20, 30. Okay, answer is 60. Note down. Harshika, it is clear? Is it clear, beta, Harshika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, who will tell what happened? Now, tell me what happened, beta. Yes.
सर सम टोटल 60 होगा, टोटल 60.
नहीं, I percentage 2, what it means, beta?
सर यही कि ना, अगर वो नंबर 2 से प्रॉपर डिवाइड हो रहा है,
Yes, very
0
good. If number is a even number, then it will add.
सर 60 आएगा.
हाँ, naturally 60 आएगा, but if I am taking here, so it will 12 plus 6, 18.
क्योंकि सर वो 33 को इग्नोर करेगा, 33 को.
हाँ, 33 को इग्नोर हो जाएगा, 11 भी इग्नोर. Now, in case I am using here not equal to, so it will calculate sum total of all the odd values. So here 5, answer will be 16, means all the odd values will be added. Gaurav, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, better. So here we can make some more program. Isha, what will be the answer?
Sir, if the number is odd, then if the number is odd, then that number will be divided by 2, and if it is even, then it will be the twice.
Okay. Sorry, here is I'm using here is in the place of sum 8. चलो ये देखते हैं भाई. So according to Isha, here I use 11, 10, 4, 3, 4, 3, but nothing happened. Isha, why?
सर हमने I की वैल्यू प्रिंट नहीं करवाई.
Yes, हमने तो we have changed the value of I, but we have never changed the value of t, and we can't change the value of t. Okay, so be very careful while reading the coding. ठीक है, तो कोडिंग में तो हमने कोई चेंज कर ही नहीं रहे. कोडिंग में हमने I यूज किया and we are not using I in the t. ठीक है, that's why answer there is no any change in the answer. Himanshu, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, online students, if you have any query, you are free to put the question better.